Hello! For today's video, I will show you how to add stickers into your Instagram stories and reveal a couple of tricks and hacks that will help your Instagram story stickers to attract more engagement and followers. In general, Instagram stickers are interactive visual elements which can be added to your video or image stories. Stickers can help to make your stories more interesting and noticeable. Many of stickers are even animated or clickable. Adding stickers to your example story is just simple. So just go to Instagram and go to the click and your profile picture at the top left corner to add your story. Then you will choose a photo. Swipe up to create and click on the sticker icon on the upper screen. After that, you will be brought to a new window with different options of stickers to choose from. You will see location, mention, hashtag, date, weather, temperature, GIF, emoji, poll, and many more stickers. After selecting one of these stickers, just like this one, just place it anywhere you want. After you are done editing your story, just press the arrow and share your story. Here it is. Now, the question is, should you use stickers in Instagram stories? Definitely yes. Stickers help to make your stories more entertaining and engaging. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like.